What's up, you guys? Welcome to Deep Pockets Forex. We'll be providing you with weekly Forex forecast on a weekly basis. Without any further ado, let's get started. On this chart, we have EURCAD. EURCAD. We've been following this pair for the past few weeks, and of recent, we stated that we're going to get a down move here. And we got a down move, we got a correction, and after this correction, we were hoping to get another down move here. This down move, however, did not present itself as the price did not break through to this level. So we did not buy this pair, we just allowed it to go up as high as possible so that we can be able to sell from a higher position. From this area, we got a down move here, then we got a correction as expected. After we got this correction, we moved to this level. However, this upcoming week, this pair is more likely to correct to this area, and if it gives a correction to this area, this will be a very good opportunity to let us to sell to this level. If this pair decides to go up, however, we'll still look for our sell opportunities still to this level. Moving on to the next pair, we have CHF Jpy. CHF Jpy is a pair that we've been looking forward to selling. Why? Because we got an up move. This was an impulsive move up to a very important level. This is a very important level. Then from this level, we got this impulsive move down. Then price corrected around this area, and due to this correction, we got a down move. As you can see, to this area we got a down move. Then price went back to retest this broken level, then eventually we poured down. However, there's a chance that this upcoming week we could get a correction to this level. If we get a correction to this level, we'll be looking forward to initiating our sell positions to this area. Let's move on to the next pair. On the next pair, we have CADJPY. CADJPY again is one of the pairs we've been monitoring really closely. From this level, we got an impulsive move up to this level. Then from here, we got a correction. Our bias on this trade is up move. Why is our bias up move? Because usually when you get an up move like this is a buyers in control. This shows that the buyers were in control, and now that the buyers are starting to take profit around this area, as such the trade is correcting to the downside, and after a correction to the downside, we will be looking for another up move. If we get an up move, a break here, we'll be looking for a correction around this area, then eventually buy to this level. Price can again decide to come down here, then just correct around this area, and then break, then correct, then up. However it happens, we'll be looking forward to buying this trade, this pair to this level. Moving on to the next pair, our next pair is AUDCHF. On AUDCHF, the past few weeks, 2 weeks, we got this down move, and this past week we had it up to here. We had stated that we're going to get a correction up until this area. Then this correction is more likely to have completed, and if it has completed, we'll be looking for our sell opportunities. To this area. This is a trade we've been looking forward to correct the structure, to complete the structure. As the structure completes, we'll be looking forward to selling from this level to this level, and from here we'll be updating you on a weekly basis. We'll tell you from here what we see, if we can see more down or we see upside. We'll update you on a weekly basis. Let's move on to the next pair. On the next pair, we have CADCHF. CADCHF, we have an impulsive move here. There's an impulsive move. We're expecting the market to move sideways, downwards here, then upside. This up move, we are looking forward to getting such an up move. However, this is not the only option we might get. Price could continue upside until this level, then correct downwards, this bigger correction, then eventually when we get this break, we go up, we buy to this level, we buy to this level. But our buyers, we are hoping to get this and then this. So this upcoming week, this is what we'll be looking for. Moving on to the next pair. The next pair we have NZDCAD. Under NZDCAD, this past few weeks, we got an up move, we got a down move, we got a correction, and then our bias was to sell. We sold from this area, we got into profits temporarily, then shifted stop loss for protection, then eventually price up with us, taking us out on break even. Then since we were already known that we are more likely to get a down move anytime if our strategy gives us an entry, we went down here. This impulsive down gave us a signal that the trade is gonna go more down was expected. We got this correction, and this correction we're expecting it to correct up until this area, then go down with us. Moving on to the next trade, we got GBP Aud. For GBP Aud, we've been following this pair too. We got this, we corrected from this area, we had predicted this up move. This is an up move we had predicted. Then now we are predicting that we're gonna get a correction here. Then after this correction completes, we're gonna go up here. Moving on to the next pair, USDJPY. USDJPY is here. It has been correcting for a while now. It's been in that structure for a while now, but we're expecting downside. Why are we expecting downside? It's because this pair has been correcting, bouncing off this level, and now we got this down move. Now it's correcting. We're expecting that if we break down to this side, we'll be looking forward to selling up until this area. AUDUSD. AUDUSD, as you are aware, we got a down move. We just corrected here, and this is an expanding channel, and then we broke the structure. The structure is broken. As such, we're looking forward for a correction this upcoming week, then more down is expected up until this area here. Our next trade, we have USDCHF. Under USDCHF, we have this down move here, and according to us, anything that happens between this is our correction. Therefore, we're expecting a down, then down to this area. We're expecting it down to this area. Next on our watch list, we have USDCAD. USDCAD, this is a pair that we've been seeing. We've spotted this up move from this area. We got an up move here, just like we've spotted. We got correction, we got up move. This past week we predicted that we're gonna get a correction to this area, and then we're gonna get an up move. So from this area, we're saying that if we get a down move, then we get a correction. We'll be looking forward to it. Here we have Euro. Here we have Euro AUD. Euro AUD, we got an impulsive move up from last week. We're expecting a correction from this area. Eventually, if this correction is completed, we are looking for an up move. This is our buyers, guys. And this is all we have for you for this week. Have a productive week, traders. Trade with care. Use proper risk management. Enjoy your week.